In this video, I will share my journey, how I applied my family visa, someone who is Pakistani citizen and living in UK. So track my application. So if I do this, then I can see over here, it says medical policy view. So if I click medical policy, this will show me electronic receipt. So this is the medical policy. I paid 16.3 Saudi Riyal for this, and you can see this. These are the details. So if you can clearly see this, that the nationality is Pakistan, and this is the eVisa number, and that's the name and details over here. Now let me show you the visa. So if I click on, so this one is for the medical policy, this one is for the visa. So for that, this is how your eVisa will look like. You can see over here it says tourism and etc, etc. Place of birth, that's the current nationality, Pakistan. Now let me show you how to apply. So for this, you will go on ksavisa.sa website. You have two options, the most common mistakes which everyone do. So you have visit. So if I click visit over here, then this pop-up will open. If I go other and select electronic visa waiver, you will select this only when you are British national. Don't do this when you are Pakistani or any Indian national. Go on visit section, select Umrah, nationality, for example, Pakistan. Next question is, which of the following applies? So valid visa from US, UK, entered at least once. If you are on skilled worker visa, if you got that, you will select this. If you got ILR, then you will select permanent residence in the UK. So you just need to, for example, if I select this one, this will give me show eligible visas. Now there are three options. Number one, electronic visa, eVisa, the one which I just showed you, that was the eVisa. Visa on arrival is when you will arrive over there. I have not done this, so I'm not sure. Visa through Nusuk, I tried this, but it's asking for the ID for a national or something. So electronic visa, eVisa, this is what we will apply. You click on this one. This pop-up will open. Obviously we haven't, if you have applied before, you will put your details and it will. So this is the first time we are applying. So on the right side, it will lock the bar. So Pakistani nationality, that's locked. Valid visa, that's locked. Expected date of arrival, you can only apply 30 days before. So don't do that mistake. So if you're traveling like 30 days before you travel, okay? Don't do like 90 days, 60 days, because they have changed the rules. Country of residence, so put that where you are living. So in this case, United Kingdom. Nearest embassy, it will select, come up by default, London. Transport mode by air. Port of entry, it will give you two options. King Abdulaziz International Airport, this is the one which is for the Jeddah Airport. You can check that through ChatGPT as well. Next, it will ask you your first name, middle name, your father name, last name, mobile number. So put your UK number, email address, nationality, gender, your married or single status, occupation, date of birth, religion. In the religion, you have two options. So you'll select Muslim. What do you plan to do when you are there? So Umrah. Upload headshot. Make sure the picture you upload, it's just a face picture with white background. Once you have uploaded the picture, at the bottom it says that it should be PNG, JPEG. If you sending pictures from your mobile phone, it will be JPG and this won't be accepted. So open in Paintbrush and then convert it into PNG. Make sure the background is white. So just click on right side and click white background and it will convert the picture. At the bottom it says $91.5. So this is what you need to pay. Next question is, upload a passport scanned copy. Must be again JPEG or PNG. Passport type, so you will select normal. Passport number, then you enter the passport issuing country. So for example, in this case is Pakistan. Place of birth, just put example. Issue date, I'll put the issue date. So issue date, obviously the passport issue date we are talking about. So it's usually, it has to be in last 10 years. Okay. So over here, I'll select January. That's fine. Then click next. Next question is residency information. So this is the reason I'm sharing my journey, that where I had a difficulty. So in UK, we have, so for example, if the person is on skilled worker visa, so they got right to work. Right to work is online. What I have done, I put in visa number, the share code, and in the upload residency, I have shared the screenshot of my visa. So this is how I got the share code details to give your employer. So I hope you know this. If you don't know, watch this video. I've shared how you can generate your share code. It's a public information provided by gov.uk, how you can do it. I'm not a solicitor. I'm just showing what gov.uk says. So that's how you can create your share code. This code is valid until this date. So I put this code in the visa field, visa number field. And in the visa evidence section, I have uploaded this, your immigration status. So I got this screenshot from my phone and it says that I'm on this visa route. My details, it valid until, valid from. So my visa is valid, and then I have uploaded this document. Next, you click over here. It will give you the terms and conditions. Over here, you have all the details. You go down all the way and then tick this box. This is a tiny box. I have read all the terms and conditions. Agree and continue. It will give you the visa options over here. You check all the details are correct. So it's a bit different website. So you have to zoom out. So you can put control, keep clicking control, and you can do this way. And then go down, check all the details are correct. If all the details correct, click next. Finalize the application. Are you sure you want to continue? Click continue. This will take you to the page where it will ask for medical insurance. This is where I was showing that medical insurance is mandatory. I have selected all no, but still show offers. It will give me the price, and I have to select the medical insurance. There is no way that you get away with that. You have to pay. Gulf insurance is $54. So the one which I have selected was Saudi Anaya Cooperative Insurance, which was for $5. So I selected this one and then next. The price will add 10.5 Saudi Riyal or $10. $10 will add to application fees. Visa fees is $81. Medical insurance is $10. Medical insurance fee is $5. Altogether is $105. $107 is the cheapest one. But if you pick up the expensive insurance, then the price will go up. And then you will click pay now. Once you have paid, you will receive this message. You have successfully applied for a visa. Print medical insurance, go to home page. When you will click print medical insurance, it will log you out. You won't be able to do that. That's where I even got confused because it was not showing anywhere. So even when I went to track my applications in my account, I clicked on visa applications, nothing was showing over here. So again, it refreshed. So I'll try again, visa applications. So it was nothing showing over here. So this is a very common problem that it don't show anything over here that you have applied, which visa you have applied or anything. And I have received the email that I got the visa, but it don't show here. The only visa it shows are those which are e-waiver visa applied for the British national. Anyone applied for like holding Pakistani passport is not showing over here. I don't know why. Maybe it's an error or something, but we did receive next day. So just in 24 hours, we have received the visa over the email. Hope this video is useful for someone. If you have come to my channel first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if you wanted to apply as a British national, e-waiver. So I applied that for myself and I got that done for $30. So I paid only $30 and I got that visa, and it took only a few seconds to get that visa approved. Watch this video. In this video, I have explained how I got it.